Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a poem. It is What a Bird Thought. It's a poem from third unit. Before we see this poem, let's do this activity. Look at this picture and discuss what you've seen in this picture with your teacher and classmates. Okay, next, where are the places you see birds? Okay, the birds are sitting in the twigs or the wings or the branch of a tree. So all the answers are correct only. What do you see the birds are doing? It's just playing. And do you want to fly like a bird? So for this question, and everybody will say answer yes, because we even sometimes we imagine that we could fly. Am I right? And what does a baby bird think about its world? It's definitely its world is in the nest only. Okay, so undoubtedly that picture and the bird and the nest is the theme of the poem. Okay, let's see. See, first we will see the picture, and there is a tree. In that tree, in between a twig, there is a nest. Okay, see what you can see. There is a hatching, and after hatching the bird starts flying. Okay, so the hatchling's mindset is the theme of the poem. Okay, let us read. So in this poem we have four stanzas, all the four stanzas having four lines. Okay, let's see. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. So this here I refers to a bird. Okay, I refers to the bird. So the bird first lived in a little house. Okay, so how does it feel? It feels very comfortable. Okay, and I thought the world was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Okay, so and before it hatching, right, it just lives in the shell. Okay, in the egg. Okay, so the egg is looks like a blue shell, right? Even in this picture also you can see the shell is like blue color, and it is very pale also. Pale means very dull. Okay, the color is very dull. Okay, and it is a blue shell. And how does it feel? It feels very comfortable, and the shape is very small and round. Okay, actually this is what the mindset of the young hatchlings birds thought. And I lived next in a little nest nor needed any other. Okay, see, I lived next in a little nest nor needed any other. Okay, so after hatching it just found a nest. Okay, so after it started living there, it never need any other nest. Okay, I thought the world was made of straw. Okay, so the nest was built by the straws. Next, and nestled by my mother. Okay, and it was built by her mother. Okay, next, one day I fluttered from my nest. Okay, flutter means a kind of shake. Okay, flag, or else a weave, a kind of disturbance from my nest to see what I could find. Okay, so the young hatchlings want to know the reason of the fluttering of the nest. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Okay, see, and later itself we just to find out that the world, okay, the house, like the nest is made by the leaves. At length I flew beyond the tree. Okay, so after a few days what happened? At length I flew beyond the tree. Okay, so it just started leaving the tree and it wants to fly away from the nest and quite fit for grown up labors. Okay, so like a labors. Okay, just to fly from the nest. I don't know how the world is made. Okay, so when it started seeing the whole world, okay, it just feel very amazing. And neither do my neighbors. Okay, so you just want to connect with the world. Okay, this is about the poem. And the author of the poem is anonymous. Anonymous means we could not see, the author's name is not mentioned. Okay, it is called anonymous. Okay, so what is the topic of the poem? It is what a bird thought. And who is the author of the poem? It is anonymous. Okay, how many stanzas it has? It has 4 stanzas, and each stanzas consist of 4 lines. And let's see the rhyming words and how you can find the rhyming words. When the last words of each line have a same pronunciation, it is called a rhyming words. See here, house, well, round, shell. So well and shell is the rhyming word here. And here nest, other, straw, mother. Other and mother is the rhyming word here. And here definitely find and blind. And here labors and neighbors. Okay, from each stanza, second line and the fourth line is having the rhyming words. Okay, and let's see the alliteration. So how to find the alliteration? When the starting letter is same, it is same from the same line, it is called alliteration. Even in the first line we could see lived and little. Okay, here L is same, also it is repeated, so it is called a alliteration. Okay, so there are 2 devices we have seen. First one rhyming word, second one alliteration. Okay, let's see the rhyming scheme. So definitely each first line contains scheme A, and here house, here well, so both are different. So here it contains B, and here round, it also different, so C. Shell again like a B, so B. So what is the rhyming scheme here? First stanza A B C B. Okay, not only here, every stanza like a same rhyming scheme only. Okay, you practice alone. And this is about the poem. If you like this poem, if you understood anything, you please like my video. Also comment your feelings and share if anybody need. Thank you. Bye.